if you are looking at getting a little more organized, perhaps saving all of those memories your children or grandchildren have brought home from school this year, whatever it is that you're trying to do. Maybe you're trying to clean out your attic or your basement, garage sales, things of that nature. This is a great application, CAMSCANNER, to help you do that. And let me show you how we're using it that might be helpful to you. So here, if you go to our docs section, now we have the paid premium subscription, which is $5 a month. But it gives us quite a bit of storage. I believe it's a terabyte online. But nevertheless, it's more storage than we've used. And you can see here, we have a lot of things stored in here. So let's just go through some of the simple things that I've done and maybe give you some examples of the way it's used. Here I have a cabinet in my office that I keep things. Now, instead of keeping all of these wires and headsets and all of this stuff just kind of out in that drawer where I can never find it, here I've just put them in freezer bags, and I've labeled them all. So I can easily go, let's say I'm looking for a connector. I can go and see, oh yeah, that's the connector I'm looking for, or I'm looking for that USB-C connector. Whatever it is that I'm looking for, I can go through and easily find these cable types and what it is inside my office currently today. So this is a way that I can stay pretty organized today and find things pretty efficiently. Here also, I can go through all of those kids' files that they're bringing home from school, and I can just document and keep that information in one place. So here you see pulling up pictures, different pictures and artwork that they've done in school and all of this stuff. Look, I love all of my boys, but the reality is I'm not going to keep all of this stuff forever for them, but it does have memory for them, right? It means something to them. And so as a result, I'm just kind of keeping all of it as pictures, and then they can enjoy those pictures over the course of time. If you're cleaning out your basement, so you can create a file for each one and kind of organize it that way. Then here I have, these are packed boxes. So these are boxes that I've gone through maybe in the basement. You can see here where they're coming from, the library or the office or the basement, right? And I've put some of the indicators here. For example, we have VHS tapes. And so what I've done is just made and took a picture of all those VHS tapes. I don't need to know every single one, but every single box gets a number, right? As you can see here, every single box has a number. And so you can go in and find things easily. This is in box 45. And then here are some old coin collections and some different books that I have that are stored in that box now so that I can easily find them. In addition, I can use this search feature here to find things. Let's say there's this license plate cover for my hometown, GVL license plate. And so I can go ahead and go in and actually see it right there. This is an old license plate cover that you just can't find anywhere. In addition, I can take and tag each one of these files, if I like, with a note and just put in here license plate, for example, and save it. And then I can find it. I can do as many of those as I want. And one last thing we'll see here is it also does OCR. So here I'm going to search just for USB. As you can see, I'm finding plenty of USB. But this one's kind of interesting here in the basement here. So I'm going to click on that and see what it found. Well, it had gone through and did an OCR and found USB 2.0. Notice here it says USB 2.0 right there on the package. And these are outdoor security cameras. So it's a great application if you're really just trying to get a little more organized. With a little bit of strategy, it's pretty easy to be able to find things everywhere. And because you're not just packing boxes just because, Now you have pictures of everything. So it's very easy just to flip through and go, oh, that's where that picture went to. And you can go through and find the information that you need when you need it.